In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale blurry photos like a pro using Gemini AI. Whether it's a cherished memory captured in a less than perfect shot or an image you want to bring to life with greater clarity, enhancing a photo can make a world of difference. So let's dive into the process and make those blurry photos shine. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Simply type Google Gemini into the search bar. Gemini AI is a powerful tool that can transform your images by enhancing their quality, and finding it is as straightforward as a simple search. Press Enter to bring up your search results. Now, amongst the search results, keep an eye out for the official Google Gemini website link. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the tool where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Gemini AI website, you'll see a user-friendly interface that makes working with your images very intuitive. Now you'll need to upload the photo you'd like to enhance. Look for the plus sign icon. It's usually quite prominent, making it easy to locate at a glance. Clicking this will prompt you to select a photo from your device. Choose the image you'd like to upscale. Remember, Gemini AI is ideal for images that could use a touch of clarity, so pick an image that will benefit from this enhancement. Once the photo is uploaded, you'll need to make what we call a prompt. This is essentially a command telling the AI what you want to do with the photo. Here, you might instruct the AI to re-image this photo with clear details. Such a prompt guides the AI in understanding exactly how to adjust the photo to meet your expectations. After entering your prompt, go ahead and click the Submit button. This step allows Gemini AI to start processing the image based on your prompt instructions. Now, all there is to do is wait a moment while the tool works its magic. In just a few moments, you'll be able to see the results. A clearer, crisper version of your original photo. And there you have it. Your photo is now beautifully upscaled, transforming an otherwise fuzzy image into something sharp and captivating. With just a few simple steps, you can let Gemini AI do the heavy lifting for you and create a professionally upscaled image that you'll be proud to share or display. Thanks for watching and happy enhancing.